Okay guys, let me show you what I did so far. I have all of this is down. So this is the craft cardstock that we started with, as well as some of the blue cardstock, which I still have a nice size piece. It's not getting used up. And I brought in a piece of navy from a previous ScrapRoom kit. And this is that one piece of pattern paper that I did have left, and I just notched it into a fishtail banner, as well as a navy piece. I brought in the navy because A, it matches, but B, I needed something else to give my photo an anchor. Lovely. The next thing I did is I took these 3 large rainbow pieces, and I just have some little pop dots on the back. They are from Spiegel Mom Scraps. And these guys are going to go down here somewhere. I think they're so cute. Oh, I wanted the one with the little dots to be in the center. So that's going to give me some nice dimension. My photo's also up on craft foam. I want to use these rainbows for sure. I think they're super cool. So I think I'm going to have them haphazardly there because there's 5. So I can have them, you know, kind of wonky at the top. Then from that point, I just have to decide what's going to be my title and see if I have any bits from a previous kit to bring in. But I did want to give you a catch up. Like, this had very little to work with, and I think it's going really well. So this is where I am right now, and I think I want to go ahead and do just a couple sketchy lines on the side here because it kind of feels like it's floating, and I am purposefully doing them imperfectly. And the reason why is because I can't do a perfect line, so if I do them messy on purpose, then at least we know they're going to be messy, right? Okay, I just wanted to like make it more inclusive. So that is fun. Let's see, I should just do like a couple little X's around the hearts. I think that would be fun. Just to have it be a little cutesy. So a little bit of sketchiness. All right, so I think that's all I'm going to be able to use up out of this kit. I did get through a lot of the sticker sheets, so will I consider this kit killed? Yes, but I will put this into my stash, and that is fine. And this is the paper I have left from the kit. So that's, oh wait, no. Telling you stories, I have this left from the kit. So now I just want to find a couple little things to put on here to do kind of like enamel dots kind of things, and I'll be right back. So I am all finished with this one. I did end up grabbing another sticker heart from, well, actually I cut out a little heart from this sticker piece because I needed to have a third color in there. I originally just had 2 pinks from something I cut out, and this piece right here was cut out from a sticker. These little gems are from Pink Fresh right there, and I did just a little bit of journaling to go along with my wonky lines. So, and I also brought in 2 Scrap and Happy Studio Flare, which is giving me, sorry about that, is giving me some much needed shine, a little bit of different texture. I do have some decent dimension though. So that is what I came up with to finish that off. Do I consider it killed? For me, yes. These are the papers I have. Not much at all. This is the sticker sheet I have, and just in this one I use all of those pieces and all of these rainbow pieces. So that went pretty darn far. So that is it for today. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now.